Hey you, are you struggling with cleanup or trying to find ways to make it more fun? I gotcha. Here are my top 3 cleaning activities for kids to make cleaning fun. And don't forget to subscribe if you want more fun ideas. The first game we have is Can You Beat the Cleaning Record? Or Beat the Cleaning Timer. Now basically how it works is you have a world record on top for all your kids, and the goal of the game is to try and beat the cleaning record. So they clean as quick as possible and just go, trying to beat the time. Now this game is so much fun and can get the room cleaned up within seconds. Now I love this game, especially when I need my class to clean up like super quick to get ready for something, and it's a lot of fun too. But I should warn you, it has a temporary shelf life. And what I mean by that is it gets to a point where the kids can no longer beat the record, so you either gotta spice it up or find a new game. Speaking of which, here's number 2. So this game is called the Mystery Item Game. And how this game works is the goal of the game is to find the mystery items. So whoever is leading the game, for example, it's probably gonna be me or it's probably gonna be you, and we are going to choose some items in the room. It can be one or it can be multiple items, doesn't matter. The kids have to try and find these mystery items. Of course, we don't tell them what items they were until everything is cleaned up. So they go for it, they run, they try and find these items. The more items they pick up, the better their chances of finding this item. Now, if the room looks amazing, clean, and all the kids are on the carpet ready to go, we announce which kids found the item. Now, usually I have like a little reward, and whoever finds these items, I let them sit on the couch for the day. So they are my couch friends, but you could switch up. It could be first one to choose an item from the gym, or first one to, I don't know, be your special helper or door helper or line leader or whatever you like, and whatever suits your classroom needs and wants. What I love about this game is you can choose really random items. Like you can choose the tiniest little bead to like a big chair that just needs to be pushed in or something. And the kids have no idea. One time I even picked a gross little piece of food on the floor, and I thought, oh, no one's gonna pick this up. And they did. They got it. This kid got it. And I was so proud. I'm just like, no way. They found it. And so I always this game is actually a good way to train kids' minds on what needs to be cleaned up. It makes them more aware. And so sometimes I'll always switch up my items based on what I noticed is not getting cleaned up. And it makes them like focus and look around and really try to figure out what items need to be cleaned up. Like, does it need to be a little piece? Does it need to be like something in this corner that like they never think of? Is it a little piece on the floor? And it's really cool because it makes them aware of what cleanup is. And they don't even realize they're learning, and yet they're having so much fun. And teaching through play is my favorite way of teaching, where they're learning without realizing it. I have a feeling you're gonna love this next game. If you love Ghosts or the game Mario or Luigi, you are gonna love this. So basically, all you need to do is make your room dark and bring a flashlight in the room. That's it. And so you go abracadabra, and you turn all your kids into ghosts from the game. Now, I asked the kids, do ghosts speak? And they say no. Well, maybe they'll say other things depending on the class you're working with, but mine say no. And so we're gonna be quiet ghosts. And so what's gonna happen is I'm gonna stand on a chair in the middle of the room, and I am going to slowly move my flashlight around. So how this game works is they have to clean up all the items in the room before the time is up, and I start a timer. But the thing is, there's a flashlight going around. If the flashlight catches you, the leaders add 5 more items to the room for you to clean up. If you are running, we add 1 extra item to the room. If you are a loud ghost instead of a quiet ghost, then we add another item to the room. So their challenge is they have to clean up the room before the time's up and without getting hit by the flashlight. I let the kids go underneath the tables to as a protection area where the flashlight can't get them. And so that way they can continue cleaning up and running around to the garbage, and it speeds up cleaning time. But as soon as the timer goes off, we call everyone back to the carpet, we do a cleaning inspection, and if the room is looking good, the kids get 2 points. If the room's not looking good, the leaders get 1 point, and we start again until the room is cleaned up. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, oh, like the kids are probably putting things away like not in the proper spots because they're in a rush, or they're not putting away nicely. But we've actually paused and actually have shown off kids' work who take their time to organize stuff and put things in the right spot and do a cheer. And so our kids are so excited about organizing. They make the room look super nice, to the fact that even during the free time, they are insisting they want to organize something. And I'm just like, wow. The fact they have so much motivation to clean when it's free play, I'm just like, what is this? That just means I'm doing my job right, I suppose. If you would like some more fun games, click here. And if you are looking for activities, behavioral tools, or different things like that, click here. Thanks for joining me, and extra thanks if you hit the like button.